Description. Our new Essentials kit features our iconic collection of our 6 best-selling hair, body and face products, packaged in travel-ready recyclable aluminum tubes to keep you feeling refreshed both during and after your travels. Benefits. Formulas have also been optimized to remove all sulfates, PEGs, synthetic fragrances and are 100% vegan. Suggested use. See usage for individual products or on product packaging. Top reviews from the United States. The best. Love Malin Goetz. Highest quality on the market. Favorite scent is Dark Rum, but they are all wonderful and each product is high quality. This is perfect for travel. Boyfriend's favorite products. My boyfriend only uses this brand. He loves the way it's moisturizing. And I love the scent, very natural on him.